today, our topic is about language. Kabalo ka maghambal Tagalog? Kabalo ka magtagalog? Kabalo ka maghambal Ilonggo? Kabalo ka mag-Ilonggo? If they ask you, kabalo ka maghambal Ilonggo? And your answer is yes, then you can say, oo. Kabalo ka mag-Ilonggo? Oo. If they ask you, kabalo ka magtagalog? And your answer is no, then you can say, Indi. Kabalo ka magtagalog? Indi. If they ask you, kabalo ka mag-Ilonggo? And your answer is, just a little, you can say, jutay lang, or medyo lang. Kabalo ka mag-Ilonggo? Jutay lang. So here are our examples. Kabalo ka maghambal Tagalog? Oo, kabalo ko maghambal Tagalog. Kabalo ka maghambal Tagalog? Hindi ko kabalo maghambal Tagalog. Kabalo ka magtagalog? Jutay lang. Medyo lang. Kabalo ka maghambal Tagalog? And you don't understand what he or she is talking about, you can say, hindi ko kaintiendi. Or you can say, hindi ko kaintiendi sang imo ginahambal. Or in English, I don't understand what you are talking about. So mga palangga, hope you do understand about our lesson for the day regarding language. So if you like the video that I uploaded, please click subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell button so that you will be notified for the new videos that I will be uploaded. Salamat, kid!